Everyone, it's been a while since I actually did a haul. So actually it's a website that I never tried before, and it's actually a Korean website, Korean fashion and idol inspired clothing, and I am so excited because I have opened it, but I still haven't seen what's inside. So let's do it together. First of all, it's super heavy. As you can see from the bag, the name is LEWKIN, and it's actually a brand that ships directly from Seoul, and all is made in Korea. So I'm so excited to try real, like for real Korean clothing. Wait, let's see what I got. First of all, we got a sweater. I think this is the sweater. Yeah, it's the detail of the sweater. I got it in light gray, but I think there's one other color which I don't remember, but I really like this kind of gray. So, and it's really trendy, as you can see here, made in Korea. I think it's kind of the oversized fit, but I think this will fit me just fine. As you can see, it's very oversized, but that's the trend nowadays, oversized sweaters. So I think I'm gonna wear it a lot. And actually, to pair with this, I actually got tracksuit pants. Now I saw them on the website and I thought, oh my god, that looks so pretty. But yeah, it's not the exact gray, but that's what's trendy right now, like matching, not matching sets. And guys, you know I love huge pants like this, and I love this kind of, you know, straight fit, and it has this thing here so you can adjust it to your waist. Oh, it also has pockets here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wear it a lot during practice. If you don't know, I am the leader of a K-pop cover group, and I am constantly looking for something comfortable to wear during practice, and I think this set will do it. So pretty, and inside is like this. It's not very, you know, if you have a thawed winter, if your winter is very cold, I suggest wearing, you know, thighs underneath, but otherwise here it's not very cold. So moving on, I actually got another sweater because I don't have sweaters, and when I saw this on the website I was like, dude, I'm gonna get this. So this is actually a blue one. As you can see, I'm kind of obsessed with blue, and it goes well with this pants too. So I thought, why not choose two sweaters that could be good with each other? And look at the print. The print is super pretty. Like this bear. It's so cute. It's so cute. Oh my god. And the Made in Korea logo. And actually I saw a lot of Korean influencers on Instagram wearing this style, like comfy style, while going around, and I think that's what I need the most right now, because I'm constantly running on errands, and I think this could be perfect. This is also oversized, but I think that it's less oversized than the other. Oh yeah, I remember this one. I was so looking forward to this one. It's like a cropped wool jacket. Again, gray. Gray is like the color of the year. It's not the official one, but for me it is. Like I've been seeing a lot of gray fashion, and it's super popular in Korea. This style, this wool style, is so pretty, and it's very soft actually. I expected it to be a little rougher, but it's really soft, unexpectedly. I just realized that it's quilted inside. Like, you can see it here, but it's quilted. Oh, I think this is good. This could be worn like alone with something underneath like this, if it's not too cold. But I think this would be perfect for spring. Like, I can't wear. Like, I can't wait to wear it already, but it's super, super, super pretty. Oh my god. Yes, if I remember correctly, I got a skirt. Yeah. Now this kind of style is super, super trendy. Like, I have been seeing a lot of these mini skirts, a lot on Instagram, and I thought, you know what? I don't have enough. Let's buy another one. And this was originally paired with something else, but I thought this could be a great pair, like together. The fabric is so well made, and it has this lining inside. I think this could be worn in winter too, because it looks fairly warm to me. But yeah, I can't wait to wear this too. I think I'm gonna wear it to my boyfriend's graduation party, because it's like at the end of January and I need something warm but cute, and this could be an option. So last one, I have seen a lot of K-dramas wearing this kind of vintage jackets, and I had to buy one. You know what? I see it, I want it. And actually I don't remember where I saw it. So pretty. It has zipper here, and of course the material is super, super great. Zipper work. Oh, it has a double zipper. Didn't notice, but it has a double zipper, like here. So you can like wear it a little bit open. Whoa. I think this could be paired with jeans a lot. So I'm gonna wear it as a cardigan maybe. This could be a great idea too. So this was my haul. I hope you liked everything. I surely did. So actually I have got a discount code for you. So in case you're interested in any of the products, I'll link them in the description below. But in case you're interested on shopping on LEWKIN, this is the discount code that you can use. Actually, I didn't expect such good quality. Like, I was so impressed. I am so impressed with the quality, and I think I'm gonna use them for a long time. You can check my Instagram for outfit ideas. I have a whole collection there, and don't forget to follow my TikTok too. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!